Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a Facebook account. First of all, you need to go to the Google and type Facebook. And click the first result. And you need to create this button, create new account. You have to put your first name, like this. You have to put your first name and second name, your email address, and you have to confirm your email address. Then when you have to re-enter the email address, create a strong password. Let me tell you how to create a good strong password. You have to go to this website, passwordgenerator.net, and you can select these ticks and hit generate button. Here you can create good strong password, then you can add to that. But before you add that password, please add to the end of the generated password another characters as you wish, because it will increase your security of the password. Okay, let's go to the Facebook and add that copied password and add some, as I told you, add some another characters, numbers or whatever, and add your date of birth and your gender, and hit sign up button. Now it's signing up. Now you have to, Facebook will send you the verification code to your email address. Let's go to there. Let's refresh. Yes, it's arrived. Now copy this number, go back to the Facebook page and paste it here and click continue. You have successfully confirmed your email address. You will use this email address to log in. Okay, right, now you came to the Facebook welcome page. Then when you successfully create a Facebook account, I will create another video to how to create Facebook business page, how to create Facebook group. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Medit Answers. Stay tuned. Bye bye.